Alright, a pleasant day everyone. So today we're going to discuss about workstation facilities design for the hospitality industry. But before we proceed to the main discussion, let's take a look for the objective of this unit. So first is to identify the role of workstation facilities in hospitality industry and tourism industry. Second is to understand the functions and design for the workstation facilities. And lastly is to evaluate how different workstation support efficient service and operations. So now let's begin with discussing what is workstation facilities design. So kapag sinabi nating workstation facilities design, it refers to work areas in hospitality establishment such as hotel, resorts, or restaurants are designed and organized para makapagtrabaho yung mga employees ng para makapagtrabaho or ma-perform nila yung task ng efficiently. So sa hospitality establishments, workstations serve as central point kasi dito nangyayari or nagaganap yung mga dito karamihang nangyayari or ginagawa yung mga operational task. So in the conformity of this study in the module provided, that a well-designed workstation ay hindi lang dapat visually appealing. It should be also functional, comfortable and safe para sa mga employees na gagamit nito ng workstation. So, for example, imagine niyo yung yung front desk office sa isang hotel. So, kapag yung front desk ay organized, meaning yung computer system, yung communication tools, yung reservation records, ibig sabihin, madaling ma-access nung employees, ng staff. At kapag madali niyang ma-access yung mga tools na yon, madali niyang maipoprovide yung service which can lead to a better experience of the guest. Diba? Alright, another important factor of workstation design is ergonomics. So, ibig sabihin nito, designing a workspace in a way na comfortable at suitable para sa employees body. So, for example, proper chair height. Ito na lang, accessible equipment. Like for example, sa restaurant, sa counter ng restaurant. Alam niyo yun, yung di ba may mga restaurant na may shelf tulad ng ganito. Excuse me, dumi. So, parang shelf sa likod, counter, tapos may shelf sa likod, di ba? Tapos, doon commonly nilalagay yung mga wine. So, kapag may customer, imagine na kapag may customer na may nagustuhan siya doon na nakalagay sa shelf, tapos hindi mo maabot. So, paraan mo is pumatong sa upuan or sabihin na nating may hagdan yung restaurant. So, di ba parang ang awkward, nagagamit ka tatalikuran mo yung guest, then gagamit ka ng upuan, papatong ka sa upuan or aakyat ka sa hagdan to reach that wine, di ba? Parang ang awkward. Gets nyo? Another example is, enough spacing sa workstation. So, ayan, kapag syempre may enough spacing sa isang workstation, makakagalaw ka ng maayos, less hassle, less pagod sa isang employees, at mas nagiging productive ang isang staff, di ba? Na-try nyo yun? Or kung sino man yung mga may experience na ng work. So, kapag yung pinagtatrabahuhan mo is may enough space, kapag maluwang, hindi masikip, nagiging productive ka. So kapag nagiging productive yung isang staff or yung isang employees na naipoprovide niya ng maayos or maganda yung isang service, di ba? So ayun, ganun ka-importante din yung ergonomics sa workstation design. So ayan, next, may technology pa pala. So in this generation, technology is the big part of workstation design. So ayan, many hospitality businesses use reservation systems, ayan, di ba? Common digital payment systems or communication tools to streamline operations and of course to improve efficiency. So ayan, ito palang technology is relevant to my next topic, which is the role of workstation designs in the hospitality industry. So ayan, to discuss furthermore, let's begin in the first rule. So ayan, the first rule in workstation is handling reservations and booking. So sa hospitality industry or establishment rather, workstations are used to manage reservations for the hotel rooms, restaurant tables, ano pa ba? Tours, or even yung transportation, 'di ba? Pwede na din tayong mag-reserve or magpa-book ng transportation for the travels, 'di ba? Travels, I'm sorry. So, yung mga staff na naka-assign dito sa workstation na to ay of course are responsible in answering inquiries, confirming bookings, and updating availability services. So, ayan, without organized workstation systems, magkakaroon ng problema, magkakaroon ng negative effect, of course, sa company. For example, magkakaroon ng double booking or magkakaroon ng miscommunication sa guest. So, ayun nga, magkakaroon ng negative effect sa experience ng guest. So, basically, reservation workstations help the establishment to organize guest schedules and ensure services are properly prepared. All right? So another important function of workstation is providing customer services and guest support. So workstations such as front desk or guest service desk act as the main area where guests can ask for assistance, make requests, or raise concerns. So ayan, aside from check-in and check-out, guests may also approach the workstation for the other concerns such as asking for additional amenities, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Naaalala nyo yung nung nag-check-in tayo saan ba 'yun? Sa Kingsford ba 'yun? Correct me if I'm wrong, sa Kingsford Hotel. Basta nang nag-tour tayo, tapos sino dito yung tumawag sa front desk para lang mag-request ng ice? 'Di ba? Instead sa other workstation, hindi pala dun dapat sa front desk ina-ask yun. So, ayan, si front desk staff, ginaid kami para tumawag sa gantong workstation. Ayan. So, pero at least nakatulong pa rin si front desk staff. So, ayan. Ano pa ba? Asking for directions nearby attractions, or arranging transportation din. So, ayan, most of the time, guests go directly to the front desk, which shows how important workstations are in providing immediate assistance and maintaining guest satisfaction, because in the hospitality industry, the way employees interact with the guests at these stations ay nagsisilbing, or it shapes the first impression and overall impression of all the guests. So ayan, that's the part of my topic. So the next topic or the next rule will be discussed by my group mate, which is Mariel Malikdam. So thank you for listening. Bye.